All right, good morning, guys. Today is officially wedding day. I don't need to get ready right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my hair, and then I'll show you final look, final product when the hair is 100% complete and I have my tuxedo on. So normally, what I start with is just spray bottle with some water. I'm looking like a brush the hair into place. I don't want to get it like soaking wet, but I do want to get it wet enough so it styles the way that I want. I look like a mess right now, but it's good. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna gently pull the hair back. The look I'm going for today, it's more like my traditional look. Essentially, it's just kind of like a curtain style with a little bit in my face. I don't really pull the hair back off my face just because I might have put the hairline a little too far back, but when I fix it and I make it look the way that I want, then it looks 100% fine. So push it all back just like that, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in some of the Dr. Napple's Hydro Balance, just kind of really saturate the hair. Okay, so it's pretty much saturated. So directions on here: you can use wet hair, spray on after shampooing and leave to dry naturally, or proceed with styling. Dry hair you use throughout the day to restore moisture, refresh style, and protect against the harmful effects of UV from the sun and artificial interior light. So again, I'm just gonna brush it through as best as I can. And the hair system that I'm wearing is the HD111. So it's a poly skin. It's thinner hair, so the density of the hair isn't as much as like the M101V, which is the previous model that I had. So I do like this one. It takes some getting used to just because it is thinner hair than what I've been wearing, but I think it works out better because my hair naturally, which is the bottom part of the hair, is thinner. Okay, so now that's in my hair. That's good to go. I'm gonna put this away. All that is good to go. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it dry a little bit. All right, so that's good. Now I'm gonna do, even though it looks like a mess right now, because it is a mess, I'm just gonna go ahead and fix it up a little bit. I'm gonna go in, spray with some hairspray. I'll probably end up touching it up again closer to when I have my tuxedo on. But I'm gonna go ahead and fix it really quickly, and then I'll show you the end product.